wanted the video boards to be very impactful for the fan experience. Not necessarily the largest in the league, but perfectly placed for viewing for the fans and the latest technology as far as clarity, and it really turned out great. We decided to put the video boards low on the ends, really probably the lowest in the league. And as we found out from our first game yesterday, it really made a difference with the fans to get them prompt, to see replays, to see the game action. Our players commented when they practiced for the first time in there this week that it was a great way for them to see it on the field, and what it meant to them, I think was very good.
Early on, we approached the project and looked at what we wanted to achieve, and we said we want the best video boards, the best cameras, the best replay system, and the best scoring system. And if we reach those goals, then we're going to have the best fan experience in the NFL. That's where Daktronics comes in, and the video board and the scoring system have been amazing, and we feel that we've got something to be proud of for years to come.
Daktronics has been with us from Metro Dome days, through TCF Bank Stadium, where we played for 2 years, now into US Bank Stadium, and makes such a difference on game day. The technology is fantastic, the clarity and the flexibility of use has been very beneficial for us.